Dear investors, stockholders, and futurists, I hope this message finds you well. 10 days ago, FF just celebrated its 12th anniversary. Last week, after 7 years, I returned to the role of Global CEO of FF. 2 days ago, FF completed its latest round of $25 million financing. With $70 million in financing raised recently, we believe this is enough to support the first phase strategic goals of our robotics business. Today, standing at the forefront of a new wave of industrial revolution, I release this letter to all of you with great excitement and a deep sense of purpose. Our goal is to lead the team over the next 2 years to finally realize the dream that FF has been fighting for over the past 12 years. With AI first and stockholders first as our core principles, we will build the 3-in-1 ecosystem strategy around EAI and truly rebuild FF into a physical AI ecosystem company. This is a mission we must win. There will be no excuses. After years of life and death struggles, major ups and downs, and hard-earned lessons, FF's differentiated advantages and value in this new wave of industrial competition have become even more clear. We must seize this momentum. Through 5 new transformations, we will move quickly to strengthen the company's 5 unique values. First, the value created by FF, becoming the first U.S. company to sell and deliver both humanoid and bionic EAI robots. And by our full ramp-up toward scale deployment, we aim to take the lead in large-scale deployment across real-world use cases and strengthen our first-mover advantage. Second, the value created by the continuous evolution of the EAI brain and developer platform. Third, the value created by real-world data from the EAI data factory. In the AI era, core competitiveness is not only about models and computing power, it is also about the ability to collect real-world, high-frequency, multi-dimensional data. Fourth, the value created by FF's role as a global EAI industry bridge, especially in cost and efficiency. FF connects the world's most advanced technology chain, the highest quality industrial chain, and the most valuable users and use cases. This bridge can help deeply integrate global industrial resources, create stronger coordination, and amplify value. Fifth, the value created by strategic vision and focus. Together, the 4 values above, the 3-in-1 ecosystem plus the global EAI industry bridge, will form the evolutionary flywheel of the EAI ecosystem. This is our most important long-term value and competitive moat. On execution, compared with Tesla, one of the leading companies in embodied AI, FF has 6 clear points of differentiation. 1. Ecosystem model. FF combines in-house development, an open source and open developer platform, and a data factory. Tesla follows a full-stack in-house development model, with data mainly used within its own ecosystem. 2. EAI device portfolio. FF offers robots in 3 humanoid forms and multiple bionic forms. Tesla is focused on 1 general-purpose humanoid robot. 3. Price range. FF offers a disruptive entry price starting at $10,000. While Tesla is expected to start at approximately $20,000 to $30,000. 4. First phase market. FF is pioneering the education market and building deep capabilities in B2C family education. Tesla is focused on B2B industrial applications. 5. Technology approach. FF combines a general-purpose EAI brain with use-case-specific profession. Tesla focuses on a generalized universal brain. 6. Capital investment. FF combines core in-house AI development with its bridge model, creating a more asset-light path. Tesla follows a full-stack in-house development model that requires heavier capital investment. Next, we will carry out a comprehensive transformation across 5 areas: strategy, product, technology and business, finance, capital, and our AI operating system. We will move forward in 3 major stages: 2026, the next 2 years, and the next 5 years to maximize FF's 5 unique values. First, strategic transformation. FF has officially upgraded into a US-based physical AI ecosystem company. Guided by the AI-first principle, FF is focused on EAI robotics technology and 2 major product engines: EAI humanoid and bionic robots, and EAI automotive robots. We are building 3 major sub-strategies: EAI devices, EAI data factory, and EAI brain and open source and open platform. Together, they form the 3-in-1 EAI ecosystem, creating an evolutionary flywheel effect and maximizing commercial value. Our goal is to become one of the top 3 robotics companies in North America within 5 years by real-world deployment volume in EAI humanoid and bionic robots. In EAI automotive robots, our goal is to become a leader in the North American EAI MPV market. Second, product, technology, and business transformation. In Phase 1, the company will concentrate resources on fully scaling our EAI humanoid and bionic robot business. On the EAI device side, based on our 4 major product lines and key use cases, including education, security and inspection, reception and guidance, performances, and university research, we have increased our 2026 robot shipment target from 1,000 units to 1,500 units. We believe the education sector, especially family education, will become the primary use case for the first phase of the 2C robotics market. FF aims not only to pioneer robotics education products, but also to become one of the primary driving forces behind the inaugural year of the US EAI robotics education ecosystem. For EAI Brain and the open source and open developer platform, through our 5x4 architecture, we aim to evolve robots from task-level autonomy toward long-horizon autonomy using video action model, world models, and WBC force control systems, while leveraging shadow mode iterations on weekly and monthly cycles. At the same time, we are accelerating commercialization of the EAI Brain, building an open platform architecture, and closing the platform deployment data feedback loop. Our goal is to attract more than 100 developers and launch over 100 skills and agents, significantly enhancing the practical use value of our robots. For the EAI data factory, our goal is to turn real-world data collection and deployment into a flagship industry use case, complete full in-house development of our data software stack, and scale our data business to over $1 million in revenue. For our Middle East business, our goal is to achieve positive operating cash flow, exceed 200 robot sales and deployments, and expand operations across 3 countries in the region. The upside potential of our Phase 1 strategy is that once we secure strategic or long-term investment sufficient to fully fund Super One mass production, we will comprehensively accelerate our EAI EV business and establish dual growth engines. Third, financial transformation. We will continue advancing a balanced approach between financial discipline and business growth while rapidly improving operating quality and key financial metrics. Our target is to achieve positive operating cash flow by Q4 2027. The core measures include maintaining the comprehensive gross profit margin of the humanoid and bionic robot device sales, maintaining high gross profit for ecosystem business revenue, shifting from relying on financing cash flow to focusing on operating cash flow, reconstructing the AI system to achieve real-time cost control and operational analysis capabilities, managing the income statement, cash flow statement, and balance sheet well, and maximizing the 3-in-1 business operating results. Fourth, capital transformation. Our goal is to restore the market value of FFAI back to the level it was at when it went public on the Nasdaq in 2021, within 2 years. This is our most important commitment to stockholders and the most critical performance benchmark for our company. The recent $70 million fundraising from institutional investors is an important starting point for the company's financing structure to transition from liquidity-driven to capital structure governance-driven. Going forward, we will gradually transition toward medium to long-term financial investors and strategic investors while building a financing structure centered on operating cash flow, industrial partnerships, and long-term capital. At the same time, we aim to reduce our reliance on highly dilutive convertible debt financing instruments with short investment cycles. We will continue optimizing our stockholder structure for long-term alignment while also continuing legal actions against illegal short selling and market manipulation activities. Fifth, AI system transformation. We will not only make AI robots, but also transform the company into an AI. We are fully upgrading FF into an AI-first operating and management system, transitioning from PPTIA toward AI PPTI, while building an AI-native enterprise operating system and a hybrid organization combining humans and AI agents. This will accelerate the adoption of AI across governance, decision-making, operations, products, and execution. More detailed information regarding Phase 1, as well as our goals and initiatives for Phases 2 and 3, will be shared during upcoming company all-hands meetings. Over all these years, many things have changed. But for me personally, 3 things have never changed. My belief in originality for both technology and product innovation, my commitment to rewarding our stockholders and investors, and my determination to deliver on our promises. FF will rebuild organizational execution around founder spirit and partner spirit, entering a zero excuses, zero internal friction, results-oriented operating mode, and we work tirelessly to deliver on our commitments to stockholders and users. Every day when I walk into the office and see the fire in our team's eyes, I become even more convinced that the spark we ignited 12 years ago is now burning stronger than ever. The next 2 years will be the most critical 2 years in FF's history. The era of physical AI has arrived, and FF has the opportunity to once again stand at the forefront of the times and become an important driver of the commercialization of real EAI scenarios. FF's brightest days are ahead of us. Thank you.